Hey friends, welcome back to one more video of Food for Toddlers. Friends, in today's video, I'll be sharing a recipe that includes the traditional way of preserving jackfruit. Friends, in this video, I'll be sharing a recipe of making a spread from ripe jackfruit. Traditionally, this method was used to store or preserve jackfruit until you get them in the next season. So friends, let's head on to the video. To make this spread, first we need ripe jackfruit. I've taken here 2 cups of them. To make this spread here, I'm going with the jackfruit variety which is not having very firm flesh. So now I'm transferring 2 cups of these ripe jackfruit to a blender. And then here I'm blending it to a smooth paste. And now to cook this to a hot pan, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of desi ghee or clarified butter. As the ghee melts, I'm adding the prepared paste to it. And now we have to cook this fruit pulp in low flame by continuously stirring it. This pulp has to be cooked with a continuous stirring, or else it will stick to the bottom. After 20 minutes, you will be getting somewhat like this texture. And friends, unlike in this video, if you want to go ahead making a jam, you can even go with using refined sugar. But here I'll be using jaggery crush, as traditionally it was done like this. And now friends, I'll be rolling in jaggery crush completely into this pulp. After stirring it for 2 minutes, the jaggery will start melting with the pulp and it will completely blend into the pulp. And now friends, stirring becomes a little task as the texture is getting thicker. But friends, more the thicker texture you will be getting, there will be less moisture in it and the shelf life will be longer for this. I've taken here half a cup of jaggery as I wanted to keep the flavor of jackfruit on the upper side. So this jackfruit pulp can be stored for a longer period of time. Now friends, this is the desired texture I'll prefer going with, as I'll be using it as a spread. Now I'm adding a combination of cardamom and dry ginger powder to it. Friends, while making a jaggery based recipe, try using a little bit of cardamom and a pinch of dried ginger powder, as it helps in facilitating digestion of jaggery. And to add little more sweetness and nutrition, I'm adding chopped date pieces to it. This is completely optional, but it just gives a kind of marmalade texture to our spread. After adding date pieces, just cook it for 1 more minute. Addition of chopped date pieces enhances the appearance of the spread. So our jackfruit spread is ready to be served. And friends, if you wish to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes more, you'll be getting more thicker consistency of this pulp. By doing so, you can store this pulp for up to 1 year also. But I prefer having a spread like consistency, so I am going with this kind of texture. To make this spread, all you need is. So friends, enjoy the taste of jackfruits even in the off seasons by preserving them by this method, and hope you like this video. Do subscribe the channel Food for Toddlers for upcoming videos, and until we catch up next time, eat healthy, stay healthy. God bless.